Hello guys, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this video, I'll show you how you can find the sky lanterns and complete the photography challenge in Forza Horizon 6. So, without further ado, let's get started. Normally, this challenge is only available during autumn and at night. But if it's not the correct season or time in your game, don't worry because there's an easy workaround. First, open the pause menu. Then go to Creative Hub. Next, select Horizon Event Lab and choose Play Challenges. Now press the search button at the bottom of the screen. Enter the share code that I'm showing on the screen and start the event lab. Once the event loads, you'll spawn right next to the sky lanterns. Simply drive a little closer, open photo mode, and take a picture of the sky lanterns. As soon as you take the photo, the photography challenge will be completed. And that's it. That's how to find the sky lanterns and complete the photography challenge in Forza Horizon 6. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot for more Forza Horizon 6 guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.